Hi dear fellows, today I'll teach you about Athens versus Sparta. A long time ago in ancient Greece, there were two super famous city-states. Athens. Imagine a city full of artists, inventors, and teachers. They loved thinking, debating, and creating their favorite weapon. They built the first democracy, people voting. They loved drama, art, music, and philosophy. Their navy was super strong. Sparta. Imagine a city that was like one big military camp, everyone trained to be strong warriors, their favorite weapon, muscles. Boys trained as soldiers from age 7. Girls were strong too. They didn't care about art or debate. They wanted discipline, strength, and loyalty. One day, Ethan said, "We are the smartest. Everyone should follow our way of thinking." Sparta replied, "We are the strongest. Everyone should respect our spears and shields." So they started arguing like two kids. Athens, without brains, you are just brutes. Sparta, without strength, you are just weaklings. This rivalry exploded into the Peloponnesian War like a huge sibling fight. Athens had powerful ships, so they attacked from the sea. Sparta had powerful soldiers, so they attacked on land. For many years, they kept fighting back, like two superheroes with opposite powers. But then, something unexpected happened. Athens got hit by a terrible disease. Many people died, even their great leader, Pericles. Sparta, with help from Persia, yes, their old enemy, finally crushed Athens. Who won? Sparta won the war. But really, both cities lost a lot of people. Power and glory in the end, neither ruled Greece for long. Because later, a guy named Alexander the Great came along and took the spotlight. Moral of the story: Athens had brain and culture, Sparta had brawn and discipline. Both were amazing in their own way, but fighting each other made them weaker. I hope you understand this concept. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.